Fire sprinkler systems are essential for protecting businesses from devastating fires. As a fire sprinkler contractor, you play a vital role in ensuring these systems are installed and maintained properly. But as a business owner, you also need to protect yourself and your company. That's where USA Business Insurance comes in. At USA Business Insurance, we specialize in insurance coverage for fire sprinkler contractors. Our policies are designed to provide comprehensive protection for your business, including general liability, workers' compensation, tools coverage, and commercial auto insurance. We understand that every business is unique, which is why we offer customized insurance solutions tailored to your specific needs. And the best part? Our insurance policies are affordable, with monthly prices starting at just $49 per month. So why wait? Protect your fire sprinkler contractor business today with USA Business Insurance. Visit us at businessinsuranceUSA.com to get started, or call 888-900-0205.